What's up everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ronnie's Fitness Hub, and in today's video I'm going to talk about why focusing on too much cardio for the purpose of fat loss is not necessary. In case you have a feeling that I'm discouraging you to perform cardio, just stay tuned, watch till the end, you will get the idea. First of all, I would like to say that I'm not a cardio hater. I love my cardio sessions like anything. I'm a huge fan of running and jumping rope. Yes, cardio workouts do provide lots of health benefits apart from the short-term fat loss effect. They can improve your cardiovascular system, or it pretty much means that it makes our heart and lungs stronger, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular diseases. It lowers high blood pressure, high blood cholesterol, high blood sugar, and of course it lowers our stress levels by increasing the endorphins in our brains. I'm sure you must have felt how relaxing it feels after a hard running or swimming session. But the question is if cardio is necessary for fat loss. Yes, they burn lots of calories, which can create an energy deficit for promoting fat loss, but in reality, calorie restricted diet and weight training are the way to go if you want to achieve a sustained fat loss. Performing only cardio or too much cardio will result in a slower metabolism, and this is one of the important reasons why we fail at fat loss. Let me explain why this happens. First of all, just try to understand that exercise is nothing but a stress to our body, be it cardio or weight training. Our body senses this stress signal and becomes stronger so that next time the same activity does not produce the same stress in our body. Now, if we keep on doing cardio, then over a certain period of time, our body will become efficient in handling this stress. Yes, with increased frequency and intensity of cardio, our body will be burning more calories, but eventually a time will come when all this excess cardio will become counterproductive, because as a part of this adaptation process, our body will be reducing the existing muscle mass unless we stimulate new muscle growth through weight training. Why this happens? Well, cardio exercises are not good for building muscles. Yes, they can definitely improve your muscular endurance, but that has got nothing to do with fat loss. What I'm trying to say is, since our body does not have any stimulus for new muscle growth, it will slowly reduce the existing muscle mass as it becomes quite harder for the body to hold on to the muscle mass. This loss of muscle mass is actually responsible for a slower metabolism, which further slows down the process of fat loss drastically. And this is the reason why you find many people who go to gyms only to perform treadmill running, cycling, ellipticals, they remain the same month after month. Yes, they are burning lots of fat, but at the same time they are losing a lot of muscle mass, which makes them look like just as a smaller version of what they used to be. Their body kind of shrinks down and they end up looking flabby. Well, the most important factor is to control your caloric intake. Nothing will work if you are eating in a caloric surplus. Along with this, you need to include a properly structured weight training program. Weight training builds and preserves lean muscle mass, which further increases your resting metabolic rate, which is nothing but the amount of calories your body is burning at rest. Now, if we combine this with a calorie restricted diet, still providing our body with sufficiently high quality nutrients, then over a certain period of time, our body has to burn lots of calories, most of it in the form of fat, in order to compensate for the energy deficit that we have created intentionally, and hence we can see a sustained fat loss. If you are training with weights, then you won't be needing any cardio specifically for the purpose of fat loss. Just throw in few sessions, to further improve your cardiovascular endurance. Too much of cardio will lead to recovery issues by interfering with your weight training sessions, will increase your appetite, you will end up eating way more than what you think. It's actually quite easy for us to overestimate the amount of calories that we have each day. And for those people who do not like weight training or still thinking to start weight training, I would again say that too much of cardio will slow down your fat loss. That's what I have been discussing so far in this video, and it would be a waste of time. Instead, include few weight training sessions and limit your cardio to 2 to 3 sessions a week, and watch your diet. You will be seeing better results. I have already made a video on the benefits of weight training. I'll put the link up here and down in the description box below. Just watch it. Though that video is actually meant to encourage more women to take up weight training, but the points which I've shared over there apply to all. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of my future videos. Also, do not forget to comment and ask any questions. I would love to answer them. So that's it, guys. Keep working out, eat healthy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.